Hey everyone, welcome back to Echo English Moments. It's your girl Lily, and today is A Day with Lily. Costco snow tires, hub rings, and finally saying goodbye to summer wheels. Okay, grab your coffee. Let's go on this silly little winter prep adventure together. So, this morning I woke up, looked out the window, and guess what? The first real snow of the season was falling. Tiny, fluffy flakes dancing everywhere. I screamed a little inside because my car was still wearing summer tires. Not cute, not safe, not happening. I grabbed my phone, opened the Costco app. Yes, I'm that person who does everything on her phone while still in pajamas, and started hunting for winter tires. In Canada, we usually call them snow tires or winter tires, never snow chains. Those are the metal things you wrap around when you're stuck on an icy mountain. Totally different. After 10 minutes of scrolling, I found the perfect combo. Michelin X-Ice snow tires plus steel wheels. We say steel rims or just steelies. Steel wheels are cheaper and tougher than alloy wheels. Perfect for salty winter roads. Alloy wheels look pretty. Steel wheels survive potholes and corrosion like champions. I picked 17-inch wheels because that matches my car's bolt pattern. 5 times 114.3. That 5 times 114.3 means 5 lug nuts, and the circle diameter is 114.3 millimeters. Super important. If the bolt pattern is wrong, the wheel literally won't go on. Ask me how I know later in the story. I tapped Add to Cart, chose Ship Wheels and Tires Unmounted, paid, and boom, order placed. Costco ships tires and wheels separately sometimes, so I got 2 huge boxes 2 days later. Fast forward to Thursday. Boxes arrived. I opened them like it was Christmas morning. 4 black steel wheels and 4 beautiful Michelin winter tires with the little snowflake symbol. That symbol means they're officially rated for severe snow conditions. I called my local Costco tire center right away. Hi, I have tires and wheels that just arrived. Can I book an installation, please? The guy asked, Do you need mounting and balancing? Yes, please. And I brought my own wheels. No problem. We have openings tomorrow at 10 a.m. Friday morning, I put on my warmest coat, fluffy scarf, and drove to Costco. The tire bay smells like rubber and coffee. Weirdly comforting. The technician, Mike, was super nice. He lifted my car, took off the summer wheels, and Mike looked confused. Lily, these steel wheels, the center bore is too big. Center bore equals the big hole in the middle of the wheel that fits over the hub of the car. My car's hub is 67.1 millimeters, but these aftermarket steel wheels have a 73.1 millimeter center bore. That 6 millimeter gap means the wheel isn't perfectly centered. Bad vibrations, unsafe driving. Mike said, You need hub-centric rings. or hub rings. They're little plastic or aluminum rings that fill the gap. I had never heard hub ring before that moment. I felt so noob. Costco didn't have the exact size in stock, 67.1 millimeters to 73.1 millimeters, so I thanked Mike, put my summer tires back on, and drove to a local auto parts shop. 10 minutes and $12 later, I walked out with 4 shiny aluminum hub rings. Back to Costco we go. Take 2. This time, Mike popped the hub rings in. They just press-fit perfectly. Mounted the tires on the wheels, balanced everything, torqued the lug nuts to 100 feet-pound, and done. My car finally had proper winter shoes. I rolled out of the garage feeling like a boss. The new tires are so quiet and grippy, even on wet pavement. I may have done a tiny happy dance in the parking lot. Okay, lovely people. That was my chaotic but victorious snow tire day. I learned so many new words. Snow tires, steel wheels, center bore, hub-centric rings, mounting, balancing, torque, adulting, level up. Now, before we finish, let's do our favorite part, sentence repeat after me practice. I'm going to say 14 super useful sentences from today's story. Repeat after me out loud, okay? Let's go! I need to switch to winter tires before the snow gets serious. Steel wheels are cheaper than alloy wheels. Hub-centric rings fill the gap between the wheel and the hub. Can I book a tire installation appointment? Do you need the tires mounted and balanced? The technician torqued the lug nuts to spec. Summer tires get hard and slippery in cold weather. Winter tires stay soft and grippy below 7 degrees Celsius. I ordered everything through the Costco app. The boxes were huge and super heavy. Make sure the bolt pattern and center bore match your car. Hub rings are usually plastic or aluminum. I feel so much safer driving in the snow now. Time to say goodbye to my summer wheels until April. Amazing job, everyone! Your pronunciation is getting smoother every day. That's a wrap for today's adventure. If you also survived the winter tire struggle, drop us know in the comments. Tell me where you live and what tires you use. And if you found these car words helpful, give this video a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and share it with your friends who are panicking about snow right now. Thank you for spending this day with me. See you in the next one. Bye!